Next, what I wanted to ask you was that, again, from the student's point of view, a lot of kids who are, after completing their 12th, on the verge of making a decision as to which stream they are entering into, they have this question that, okay, for the proper, I mean, mainstream job roles, like for an MBA, for a chartered accountant, for an engineer, you know that these guys, right after completing the funnel of their education, they are going to land on X package. As in, if they are decent, like if they're sane in their heads, they are going to land at an X package, unless they mess up real good time. If that's not happening, they are getting a good package. When it comes to mass com, people are skeptical. Like, I had this word with a guy like a long time back. He is something into journalism, and he said something along the lines of that, when you're into journalism, yes, the day your college ends, your CA friend will be earning more than you, your MBA friend will be earning more than you, but journalism is about the passion that you want to follow that route, and eventually you pace up, and eventually your also paycheck goes up. Now, all that is fine, but for a 17-year-old kid who lives in a country wherein we are told from the, like, right from our kindergarten, we are made the sense that, okay, why are you getting education? To get that paycheck. So when they hear something like this, they are like, okay, hold on. Passion can be followed afterwards. First, let's figure out the paycheck. And that's when they say that, no, this is not happening. So if you could just break down the money part inside mass communication, like if a mass communication guy finishes his college, is he earning decent? Like, I'm not saying that he is he getting rich. I'm asking, is he earning decent as compared to all the other professions?
So if you ask me an honest answer, I would say no.
Okay.
Because journalism and mass comm is a slightly underpaid profession.
Okay.
Compared to, yes, if you compare it with your CA friends, and if you compare it with people who've just completed their MBAs in engineering and are getting into an Infosys or big companies, or even if it's banks for that matter.
Yeah. Yeah.
So definitely, someone who's getting into mass comm or journalism has to really like the work,
Yeah.
because you are because and has to take out this notion from his head that, oh, why does my ex friend who works in HDFC or Bank of America earn so much more than me, and I don't work that much? Oh, sorry, I don't earn that much. Why is that? So we've done pretty much the same education or whatever,
Yeah.
something like, or
Yeah.
we're
Yeah.
the same age.
Yeah.
So you have to sort of get over this from your head. But the other side, if I have to tell you, if you are creative, you cannot do that job what your CA friend is doing. You
Yeah.
will not like it.
Yeah.
So you might want to go there for the money into a corporate, but you yourself will leave and come back.
Yeah.
So
That
it's
makes sense.
it's also your own personal likes and your personal calling and your personal passion. And one thing I've also learned in my life, you cannot run after money. Let the money run after you. If you're good, I'm telling you, the money will run after you. So
Okay.
don't run after it. Focus on your skill, focus on what you like, focus on understanding what you want to really do, and be good at that.
Yeah.
Work on that first.
Yeah.
Money
Understood.
will come, and money will come as
Yeah.
you grow, money will also grow.
Yeah.
Another thing, I'll give you a quick example here also. Like my I have a lot of banker friends, and I also have friends who are CAs, etc. And they keep asking me, how interesting is your profession? I mean, you meet new people every day, you interview people, learn about so many topics. हमें वहीं हर रोज we have to go to office, we have to meet the same clients, we have to figure out how we'll get more money this time.
Yeah.
So they think from their perspective now.
Yeah.
So they are earning, but they're not very happy with their job, and they find it a struggle to
Grass
go
is
every
greener the
day
other
and
side.
fetch for that client or fetch for whatever their target is.
Yeah.
And then they come back home and they might crib about it.
Yeah.
But we might also crib. I'm not saying we don't crib, but we won't crib that much.
Yeah.
So our cribbing is on a different scale or level.
Yeah.
And they are so excited about the fact that we meet people and new people and we explore new things. I mean, how many of them, you tell me, how many of them can do a podcast the next day and say that, come, I'm going to take a podcast from someone who's really cool, etc., and
Yeah.
understand from her or his learnings? They can't
Yeah.
do it. but
Exactly.
but we even if we are not someone great, we can still manage all that. We can still get those things out to fulfill our creative passions.
Masscom gives you
So
great networking.
exactly, it does. Great networking, great learning. great insight about how to present yourself. There's a lot of things.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
see the upside of it also. So I'm saying, don't think of, as you pass out college, your entry package
Yeah,
is so less than X. It's
yeah,
okay. Try it out.
yeah.
Figure out yourself. See what you like and be damn good at it.
Understood.
Once you do that, you will also grow and the money will also grow.
Yeah, and I really liked your point, which you said that, like, to break it down for the audience, salary is not a menu card that a CA arrow this much, an MBA arrow this much. It's up to your personal skill, and that's what makes sense. That if I am someone who is good at talking, and if I look that okay, MBA average package 20 lakh, I'm not good at the thing. Even if I get into MBA, I won't become a good MBA. And that's when I won't land at an average package of 20 lakhs. Like
Or you
maybe,
might also, land at
yeah,
a package of 20 lakh because no one has tested you right now. But when you have to switch
yeah,
and you will not be, you've not done great in your organization and you don't have anything much to boast about
yeah,
in terms of your
exactly.
skills, you will not move from the 20 to 30 so soon. You'll
Yeah,
be stuck somewhere.
yeah, makes sense.
So, therefore, if you have that creative bent of mind and want to pursue mass comm, please go ahead, explore it,
Yeah, exactly.
and then figure out the one good thing that you're really going to pursue, and make yourself the best at it actually.